Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another unboxing or unbagging video for you here today. This is actually from ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out of New Zealand, but they do ship internationally via DHL. So once it clears customs, your shipment arrives pretty quickly. So I do have the manifest that was attached to the outside of the package, just so that you know. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. It is one of these giant bags. Okay, so no particular order. Hopefully I can figure out what we got here. Looks like we got two of these, and these should be Danish Army M84 Camo Caps, field caps. So as you can see, we do have, let's see if I have any info on these. Let's see, these replaced the M58s. And there was, I guess prior to this, 1978 derivative, but that wasn't actually implemented. So this is almost, I guess, based on what was called Flecktarn B pattern. Uses a dithering effect, so you can see that it doesn't use hard edges for the camouflage pattern. And take a look on the inside there. Let's see. This one. But I guess this was eventually replaced by a multicam pattern in 2018, the M11, if I'm reading this correctly. But this basically has, I guess it's printed on a light green, and then there's an olive green added to that, and then there's the black pattern. So it's kind of a Danish woodland pattern. Let's move along here. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a couple more of these. These are the Czech Army M60 Camo Field Cap. So let's see. So this is actually Czechoslovakia, if I'm reading this correctly. This is in the rain camo pattern. So if we look carefully, let's go ahead and actually zap this with the UV light and see if we see anything. No, not really. But I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there is kind of a staining almost, which maybe that's better on this side. You can see that gives it some of the shading. You can see some dots right there, and then you have the actual brown straight lines. We got a headband. This can be tightened up. Slide these, get my fingers to work here. Come on. It's kind of stiff. There we go. That tightens that up. As you can see, all the way over. There we go. Much better. That's one. There's the second one. This one does not appear to have the loop. Oh well. Okay, so if we move along, next thing I see here is we have a couple of Swiss Alpenflage caps. These should be the list a year on here. Let's see, got any notes on this? guess if this is just the 5770 pattern, I guess, for the Alpine terrain. You got your green, your red browns, your reds, and then a black kind of a leaf pattern on there. Inside, elastic back, a little bit crunchy from age, very soft. It's got that round seam pattern that tapers towards the back as a widen across the crown there. This one has this sticker, I need a tag on it. Does this one have it? Yeah, this one has it too right there. Alright, FAG. Ooh. What about this one? WM. Alright, see what else we got. Got lots of stuff in here. Let's go order one of these. This is French, I believe. French Army Desert Camo short sleeve. Yeah, this is the short sleeve. This will be good for summer. Some shoulder epaulettes there. Got one strip of Velcro. Got a rank Velcro in the center. 2 pockets at the top. Nothing on the bottom. Short sleeve. Looks like there's a price tag there at some point. There's our back. Button up. As you can see there. And nothing really on the inside there, so you can see any tags on the inside. I'll do a quick inside out. Crude, but a lot quicker. So we got something like that. That's all I see on the inside there. Quick inside out and the little interior pockets. Moving right along, there should be some other counterpart to that in here. Let's see. Got some British DPM Windproof trousers. Tags in there. So these have the wider loops. Zipper. Big loops in the back. Only one pocket on the right. I got the side pockets, quite large. The large loop style attachment for the buttons all around. Got the waist cinchers, 2 of those, another carpet pocket, and the bottoms have drawstrings and Velcro at the bottoms. Pretty neat. Okay, what we got here? This looks like French short sleeve CE camo. I'm reading this right. So it looks like we got that on there, ready to go. Velcro, Velcro, Velcro rank. 2 pockets up top, nothing on the bottom, nothing on the sleeves except for that one. Velcro attachment. 2 shoulder points. A quick inside out. Looks like it's buttons up and down. Let's see what I see on the inside real quick. Okay, one tag. Faded. Sovico Villeneuve 1998 anti-moustique. Oh, so there might be anti-mosquito material on here. Interesting. Okay, nothing else on that. Okay, ooh, what's this? It's like Czech VZ92 field trousers. So I believe, time-wise, this is from Czech Republic, work camo. So this will be lighter olive with dark olive printed on top. Looks like we got drawstring at the top, single button, button fly. 50-50 for cross swords there. Kootenai, and that has a mark on there. Hopefully you can see that better than I can. Let's see, check the bottoms. A little bit of elastic on the bottom. Nothing else to split those apart. Pocket wise, in the back's just the one on the right. And in the front, looks like we got, not pockets, but one big reinforcement area. So you can see that. It goes from the bottom of where the pockets are, the slash pockets, right down to the knee area. So probably for like leaning on equipment and tools, scraping, that sort of thing. Okay, let's keep going here. Well, this might be the last item. So it looks like we got an Italian Army Desert Camoflage. Let's see. Nice. We got the stars on the top. Those are sewn on. Oops, sorry, bumping the tripod. Long sleeve, button cuffs. Going up the shoulder here, we got a pocket on this shoulder, Velcro. Nothing on the shoulders themselves. Oh, looks like we got an Italia patch. Nice. Another pocket, Velcro on the sleeve. And button cuffs. And down the front we got a rank Velcro area here. It's covered. Name area, nothing on this side, nothing on the bottom, and pocket wise there's no pockets either. Very interesting. Okay, we have covered buttons, and moving right up, we just do a quick inside out, you can see right there we have a continuation of the camo on the inside along the button area. Like on the inside we have pockets. Interesting. Let me turn this fully inside out. So inside out we have upper pockets on the inside. Check that out, huh? Interesting. Whoops. But let's see. Yeah. That's interesting that they have the pockets on the inside in the full pattern, but not on the outside. Huh. We might do a separate video on that one. I don't know. Take another look-see. But that's all I got basically in this package today. This is again from ArmyandOutdoors.com out of New Zealand. Check them out. Always have rotating inventory. And see you next time. Bye.